A recent study conducted by the University of Warwick in the United Kingdom showed those who experienced long-term erratic sleep patterns were far less likely to be successful than those who got a quality sleep. They were also more likely to experience a premature death from heart attacks and strokes. This is 6 essential benefits of mind balancing. Improved sleep habits. Boosted energy. Greater focus and memory. Increased productivity and motivation. Optimal health and improved mood. It has much more to do with the quality of sleep. The 7-Day Mind Balancing Program is a personal development package that walks the reader, step by step, how to get the quality sleep the body and mind need to kickstart every area of life. The program was designed based on human sleep patterns with techniques, tips and methods which have been used for thousands of years. It is about retraining the brain's sleep habits. Age is no barrier, whether you are 21 or 71, it is never too early or too late to improve your sleep. It also comes with the 14-day Double Your Energy Challenge workbook that will allow the reader to keep track of all valuable milestones and successes they experience as their progress through the program. 7-Day Mind Balancing Plan is the simple program that assists people to maximize sleep so they wake up refreshed and with enough energy to get everything done they want each day and enthusiastically. It can all be done with the program, the 7-Day Mind Balancing Plan. And if at any time during the next 60 days you don't feel 100% happy with your purchase, simply send me a quick email at support@7daymindbalancing.com. I'll refund right away. No questions asked. It really is that simple. You'll get the entire program in just 5 minutes from now. All you have to do is click the link web below to buy, and you will be guided through the 100% secure checkout process and receive instant access to 7-Day Mind Balancing, including all of the free super bonuses. All ready to download to a phone, laptop, or tablet to access wherever and whenever.